Hello everyone. My name is Denmark Gira from Escalante. Today let's talk about future and career. Today I'm going to talk about future and career readiness, specifically how to choose the right college of courses. Jobs of the future, how to make a simple resume, tips for your first job interview. Choosing the right college course is the one of the biggest we make after high school. The first step is to know yourself, your strength, interest, and the things you enjoy learning. Next, research your option. Check what each offer course and what career they lead to. It also helps to ask guidance from teacher, parent, or career counselor. Most important, think about your long-term goal. Choose a course that fit your passion and something you can see yourself in the future. Job of the future. The world is changing fast, specifically because of technology. Some of career that are becoming more in demand include job technology like AI, cybersecurity, and software development. Career in healthcare such as nursing and medical technology. Digital career including content creation and digital marketing, and job focus on environment and sustainability. This career need creativity, problem solving, and adaptability. Of course, skill. What will always be useful. And this is the tip how to make a simple resume. A resume is your personal introduction to your employer. Keep it short and clean. Include your name and contact, address, information. A simple career, object, your education, your skill, and any experience if you or achieve. And last, even if you are a student, you can add school activity, volunteer work, or training like working student. Or remember, and let's talk about first time job interview tips. If you're going to your first job interview, here are some simple tips. Research the company so you can know what they do. Dress formal to make a good first impression. Practice your answer, especially tell me about yourself, like that. Be confident but polite, smile, and make a eye contact. And finally, say thank you at the end of interview. And ending. Career and future readiness start now. When you understand yourself, explore opportunities, and prepare early, you'll be more confident and ready for your future career. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.